Galaxy S10 is a next-generation smartphone like no other. Designed not to stand out, it's designed to stand apart. Next-generation screen. Galaxy S10 defies the barriers of screen technology with its cinematic infinity display. It covers the full front of the phone, from top to bottom and from side to side, giving you the first truly uninterrupted HDR10+ viewing experience. We've eliminated distractions for a cinematic viewing experience. By utilizing precise laser cutting, the camera has been discreetly tucked away within the display without sacrificing photo quality. Next generation security. The future of smartphone security is fused right into S10's display. Ultrasonic technology and machine learning work together to instantly capture the unique 3D characteristics of your fingerprint, for vault-like security only you can unlock. We moved the fingerprint scanner from the back to the front, creating a revolutionary, on-screen sensor. Using ultrasonic pulses, it detects the 3D ridges and valleys of your fingerprint, so only you can access your phone. It's secure and convenient, even allowing you to unlock, drag, and hold to open the app you want. Next generation pro-grade camera system. It's a full kit of lenses in your pocket. There's a telephoto camera for amazing zoom possibilities, a wide-angle camera for everyday moments, and an ultra-wide camera for panoramic landscapes. With Galaxy S10, you can shoot like a pro without being a pro. Its next-generation pro-grade camera system is powered by an advanced NPU that intelligently analyzes and optimizes what you shoot, and features telephoto, wide, and ultra-wide lenses. Front cameras now capture in UHD, and for the first time ever in a mobile device, you can record professional-grade HDR10+ video. Next generation performance. We've engineered Galaxy S10e, S10, and S10 Plus to charge Qi-certified devices and some Samsung wearable devices like a wireless charger. 3. Simply place the device on top of your phone, no cables necessary. Use it to power up your friend's phone, or charge your earbuds on the go. Get better performance while using less energy with a more resourceful processor and up to 12 GB RAM. 6. Even if you're live broadcasting and playing a graphics-heavy game, your phone runs smoothly. And the addition of an NPU to the app powers the intelligent camera. Next generation connectivity. Galaxy S10 introduces the future of connectivity with next generation Wi-Fi 6 and 5G. Connect to faster, more secure networks with Wi-Fi 6. While the Galaxy S10 5G also delivers super-fast download speeds at up to 10 gigabits per second, Gbps. The next generation Galaxy has arrived. The Samsung launched a new phone which is Galaxy Folds. Wanna see how it is? Here's the link top of the corner, and you need Samsung earbuds. That's cool. See the review before you buy it and don't forget to subscribe.